wife respond amen to a blessing from her husband when she is wearing a beanie, but the ends of her hair stick out from the beanie? Thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah. There's no problem. See, there's no problem with her. The problem with him seeing her, right? Like when he said the blessing, she can be dressed whatever she wants. Does not matter. So that's it. I've been asking this question a few times in the past few weeks. So so she can say the blessing if she's not properly dressed in the middle of the night, right? She went to the bathroom. She's not dressed. She can say the blessing after the bathroom. Asher Yosef. She wants to drink. She does not have to dress, right? She can make a blessing like that. But he cannot make a blessing facing her. He can turn it out. Let's say he's sitting on the bed. He wants to drink some water, right? So he can sit on the bed, turn it out, not facing her, right? She's not properly there. I mean, she's ready for the night. So yes, so he can make the blessing, no problem.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.